I'm Joshua Barnes, the founder of Process Mentors and co-founder of Success Mentors University with Al Shalloway. As 2022 comes to a close, I'm thankful for another wonderful year. We had the opportunity to continue to work with existing customers, begin new engagements, and train and coach students from all over the world. In addition, we established our learning university and a growing community where experiences, ideas, and discussions are shared. Moving into 2023, we have new private and public training workshops and products available. We will continue with all of the PMI DA certification courses, and we will add the PMP exam prep training with a focus on agile ways of working. We will also offer our Agile and Lean Bootcamp, DA Team Accelerator, Product Manager and Product Owner Simulation Workshop, and one of the things I'm most excited for, our Value Stream Management for Project Managers. We will continue augmenting our Value Stream and Value Delivery Management offerings. Delivering value continues to increase in complexity and is driven more than ever by digital transformations. If you're a project professional, join us in a workshop to learn the foundations of a crucial emerging skill set that leverages your existing skills and experience to focus on improving the flow of value delivered to customers, whether internal or external.